Hi, I'm Eric from EComposer, Shopify page builder. Welcome to EComposer extension tutorials. Well, creating high-quality content for your website both hard work and time-consuming. This is why so many ruthless actors skip the work and simply copy your content and publish it as their own. Well, website content that has negative consequences for e-commerce and content owners, including traffic loss, lower ranking, decrease in customer loyalty, and more. So, what is the solution? Well, some possible solutions include adding copyright notice, watermarking your images, or even using robot.txt files to block the IP address of the content app, but sometimes they're useless. As a result, the content protection of EComposer is viewed as one of the most appropriate solutions for these circumstances. This add-on ensures three criteria: via effectiveness, freely for user, and no fake page loading speed. Now, let's get started installing the extension. Before we start, if you don't have Shopify account, you can create your own Shopify account through the installing in the description below with an exclusive deal. Before we start, I have to notice that you can use the extension for all page type. In this video, let's select blog post template to apply the content protection extension. Now, I will insert one template from the template library of EComposer. So, this is the outcome. Next, we will install the extension. Please click on Extension Library on the top bar. Then choose Newest and you can easily see Content Protection Extension. Please click Install now. Alright, now we will manage the extension setting. Firstly, we have Enable Anti-Copy. This option allows you to block the user to copy the content on your site. Secondly, we have Disable Select and Anti-Copy option. Whenever you enable this feature, the content app can select and copy your content. Next, we have Disable Right Mouse, which makes the right mouse to be useless on your site. And the last one is Disable Debug Website. This option will prevent visitors to inspect your site. Now, I publish the template and take a look on the live site. Let's view the live site. So, this is a live site. I will show you that the extension is working properly. First, I will click F12 to inspect the page. And as you can see, the icon doesn't appear as the other pages. Next, I will tap the right and left mouse. It's clear that the normal function of the mouse can be used in this site. As a result, your content on the website can be copied. That's all. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join EComposer community to get support and the latest update. I'm putting the details in the description below. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.